Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm so excited to show you all about Color Street, how easy it is to apply and how quick it is. I already did two nails on each hand just to give us a quick start. So it's real easy. You get your set. In your set, you're gonna get 2 alcohol wipes to clean your nails to make sure they're fresh and clean, and you get a little nail file, and I'll show you what you can do with that. Then you're gonna get 2 sets of strips. And I'm actually going to show you how you can actually seal them back up because they're 95% wet when you get them. And you can get 2 manis or 2 petties out of them. Really cool, so double the value. So let's go ahead and get started. I will tell you as I'm doing this, literally, the beauty challenge to do this. I am the beauty challenged, so you're getting my testimony. It took me 3 months to try these because I thought they were like other nail strips out there. These are patented. There are 72 patents on them, 100% nail polish. Literally, you're about to learn how you're gonna have affordable, salon quality nails that will last you up to 2 weeks. Mine lasts typically about 18 days. The longer you wear them, the better your nails become, the longer they last you. So should we go ahead and get started? Okay, so you can't see my face because I want you to see my nails because that's what's important. So super easy. When you open up, like I said, you're gonna get your alcohol strip and your little nail file in 2 strips. They're in a sealed container. So they come in a sealed container because like I said, they're 95% dry. So you're gonna wanna reseal them, which you can do with a lighter, a curling iron, a hair straightener. You should just open them up, but I've already started. So really easy. We're going to find one to fit our finger. And don't worry, I'm somebody that can't paint my left or my right hand. But what you're gonna find is it doesn't matter. So first thing you're gonna do is take the little clear tab off. Then you're going to pull the strip off. Once again, these are 95% dry. There's a little green tab. You're gonna pop that off. Then you're just gonna put it on your finger. Now let's say, because remember, you don't have to be a beauty genius to do this. Let's say I got that crooked. I'm just gonna pull it off, that easy. And I can reapply till I get it right. If you don't and you just can't get it, then you can actually just cut it, you'll see. So it comes with a nail file. So the company actually shows you how to do it with nail file. I find it's easier just to use my fingernail. So you're just going to, literally, I take my fingernail and I push kind of under the nail. If you have short nails, it doesn't matter. Long, short, these work on acrylics, which is great when you don't want to go back to the salon, of course, your toes. So I'm just gonna take my nail underneath and press it and pull it off. Then you can use your little nail file if you want to file off the excess. I'm going to show you, because I told you you could get 2 sets out of this. I'm going to put this aside for a minute and I'm just going to file. The first time I did this, I was in awe, guys. I literally waited 3 months to try these. Boom. So I told you I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to put it on this finger. And I'm just going to do the same thing. That's it. If you get a little over your cuticles on the side, you can just take your finger and literally it just comes off. What's great is that once you get these applied, you can go about your day. You don't have to worry about smudging. You just don't want to get them wet for about 2 hours because they are real nail polish. Now let's speed it up while I do the rest. Literally, you will learn to do this in less than 5 minutes.